Here to the way. That's no seven. Wakil Khan. That can be Chuki Drab. She doctor drab on the situation like the bull levels one or
तकरीबन 10 फुट को होगी
10 फुट पर होगी so से कमरे में फोटो ले डाल शीट
जंग जिस साल कमरे पे हुई
सलो कमरे right होता सो सीओ दूर में सारे के डाल शीट हुई
हां जी
हां जरूर जरूर सुन सिंह तासो परेश
नंगा परे ढेर खुशहाली जी
हां नो सिंह तासो बस काम के फिर शिफ्ट दो देखे
हां जी बिल्कुल बढ़िया हाल
ठीक तासो के सुनो फैमिली सुनो खाले के सुनो फैमिली
मंगा जी कोल के टोटल 15 कसान
और तासो तुम पे यो रूम क्यों से के फिलहाल
यो टेंट लगे दले
उस दो शवे
उस दो कमरे से
Can you show the room? Lala? Direct the room.
हाँ दा चिकन basically that was the room show they make आगा यो रूम क्यों से दो
Look at the room, that one.
so they was दोनों शो चिकन मस्कम दो रूम्स शो
हाँ
वो दे तो लेकर शिप शो तासो basically लगा से मतलब the source of income यानी कि सीसी में तासो गटे मजदूरियां ये जमींदारी को
मंगा जी दिहाड़ा का
लेबर
हाँ लेबर ठीक तो जब बारह वाला नहीं होता तो मजदूरी नहीं करना
यही मजदूरी वाला
हाँ और तासो किचन में से स्टैंड से आम शांति के ना बाहर कुकिंग को इसी में करो
बस जी उनदा से पर्दा लगा ले एक ही लगे ऊपर से पहले को
और वॉशरूम तो सिंगे यूज करो क्या ना उस दा होस चिकन में से स्टैंड और जिदा नून दा तासो वॉशरूम सिंगे यूज करो उनदा से बाहर दा कोई अगर चिकन में ठीक जनानों से पर्दों मोड़ों से सिस्टम में से नहीं तासो ज़रूरियात से दी नेक्स्ट तासो से पकाड़ी तासो चूशी लेकिन तासो मजदूरानी तासो को ना पैसे नहीं करने लगा ना तो सो तासो ये मतलब कि इन से तासो पकाड़ी इससे तासो तासो नहीं करते
बस इसी जरूरत है किचन में
لا किचन دا نه کنه خو مته ګوره کاکا پیسې ګټل دي کنه سره دا خو نه کنه د خورایس کې کنه سره دا هم کو دي کنه چې تاسو مطلب نیکسټ تاسو څه پلان دی چې تاسو دا پیسې وګټئ څنګه سره ټول تاسو څه پکار دي مزدوري پکار ده تاسو بزنس کولاو کی تاسو پټو کې سره وګړي څه خو دغه درته نه ټول
کاروبار دا
سره بزنس اپورچونټی تاسو پکار دي
دا باران جوړه چې دې کې مونږ دا سره نو دیاړي مزدوري دی دې کې بلګي
پیمنٹ سورس اف
او چې تاسو را لې د باران کې خو نقصان تاسو نو شوي دا سو اوس ماشومان یریږي خو نه دا سیلاب د وجه یا سه
جی ماشومان خو
یاره خو سم سر جی یو ماشوم دی درو کار ماشوم دی او سم وي باران دی چې باران شوم کور ماتي کور وران شو غنجي هم کومل ختم نو وي باران دی بیا ځای نه کوي چې باران شمه باران دی نو نه باران ځای نه کوي وي بیا د کور ماتي مخه ماشوم انټریو کړو ډېر ورکوټ یې ماشوم دی
اچھا درې کال دی
درې کال جی
his kid is of the age of 3 years and he's still saying that is not willing to be a rain there. He's afraid of rain because the flood took everything of him. Now, whenever there's a rain, so he's scared. Now, oh God, it's raining again.
Still there is a syndrome of rain.
Exactly. So we are here in Deewah Development and we are with the community. And they're saying that the flood took everything of them. And they have just single room and the family, they are living 15 person here in a single room. They don't have a proper washroom and kitchen. They are living in tents. Now,
can you show the tents?
Yeah, the tent right out there, right?
Yeah.
The females are there. The men living in the next room.
Yeah.
There. That's the room.
That's the room, single room.
Yeah.
And that's a tent.
Yeah. So now with the coordination of the Sana Foundation, the Water Solution for Life, and now they are having, by the grace of God, 2 rooms.
Yeah.
So they'll feel a little comfortable here, I think. Now they are saying that they are laborers basically. Now it's rain, and rain they're not able to do work somewhere, so they wouldn't have money, to providing food for their children and family. So I think they must have a permanent source of income by means of providing them small business opportunities, and so that should be done.
Like a livelihood project should be launched over here because most of them are belonging to the farming and cultivating and laboring. So if you provide a proper livelihood program to stood on their feet, so they will
provide them like seeds and
a better way of cultivations and trainings, and that could be revolve their lives.
So let's hope for the best.
Yeah. And what about this gentleman? What he was saying that his kid was?
He's saying that his kids were at the age of 3, and he was very scared and fled because the flood took everything. And his home was completely demolished. Now, if there is a rain, So he says, God, oh, there shouldn't be a rain, because his
Carry on, Lola.
so the basically communities here, they always say if there's a rain. People say that the rain is the blessing of God, but if there's a rain, so they guys are scared it can be a flood again, and they can demolish their homes, blah blah blah. So I hope so that we will construct the rooms, and God will survive them, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So don't be afraid of rain. Baran na mere baran se pa kare matte. Bajgane da se pa kare hone. Allah ne khair ki hum koshish koche.
انت ذو اعرف هنا دي ده لما اعرف كان كان كمان كان كمان
We have selected almost 5 rooms here, and still a lot of people need, like this gentleman saying, his home was completely demolished, and nobody came there, no NGO or government official, no one is there. So there are a lot of people still, they need rooms, kitchen, washrooms, and everything. So it's
Where does this gentleman belong?
he basically Mohalla Sasa?
Piran
Pirana Mahalla belongs to
Chokidrab?
Yeah, he's living in the Chokidrab.
Okay.
So it's our request to the international communities and other NGOs. We are not forcing anyone to give project to DD or someone else. Coming here and work for the...
Join the hands and work for them, not for us.
This
مو